What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. Today we have an awesome video. We went down to Gilbert, West Virginia, and we spent some time with Chad Bishop at Hatfield McCoy Moonshine Distillery and Grill. This place was awesome. If you are in the Gilbert area, honestly, anywhere around it, you need to stop there. He is open all year for the distillery. Random days, just check his Facebook page. But if you want some steaks, and I'm telling you, tomahawks that were 45, 50 ounces, ribeyes that were over 30 ounces, these were not light steaks. Couldn't finish it. It was so big, it was awesome, and it's honestly priced so well. If you have the chance to go there, you should go there. And then his bourbon and his moonshine, they're amazing. Bourbon's great. The old double barrel bourbon, only spot you can get it at his shop in Gilbert at Hatfield McCoy Moonshine. Take a look at the video. We were excited to be there. Chad treated us like family. We can't wait to go back. Hatfield McCoy Moonshine, Roasted Beans and Tires, Legendary Tours Incorporated joined us. Let's have a day. Enjoy the video. When coming to Hatfield McCoy Moonshine and Distillery, you're going to want to take US 52 and turn onto Hollywood Street and take Hollywood up to James and over to Bishop Drive. There is a different way it's going to try to bring you, and if you do, you're going to get stuck and you're going to be SOL. So make sure you do follow those directions. Once you get inside, you'll see there's a few tables in here. Then you head straight back and you'll see the distillery. Here's a shirt that we created that we're trying to work on getting this released in March. So be on the lookout for that. But you'll come back and you'll see the distillery where he's got all of his different types of liquors that he sells. He's got his bourbon, he's got his moonshine, he's got his different whiskeys. They are absolutely amazing, and you can only get them on site in Gilbert at Hatfield McCoy Moonshine. As you can see, he's got a ton of bourbon and a ton of stuff on site right at the bar. You can get non-alcoholic drinks, beer, his bourbon, and also all the bourbon that he has collected. He has all sorts of different options for you. One of our friends that drinks a lot of bourbon was able to test a few things he's been looking to try, and Chad's always willing to help out and give you a great price on it.
Yeah, these are the ribeyes, brother. Like I always say, if you want a flapjack, you go to McDonald's and get you a flapjack. When you call me, you want a big-ass steak, that's what you call a ribeye right there, you hear me? That's about 32-ounce ribeye. Now, it ain't got no damn bone in it, it's all meat. But they wanted some big ribeyes, so I'm making them big-ass ribeyes. Look at that, every one of them like that. Look at that. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, this right here. This is where you come to get that good steak right here, bro. Look at that, boy. Look at the crust on that baby already. Yeah. Now, you want to see some tomahawks?
Let's see some tomahawks.
Let's see some tomahawks. A little bit darker out here. My brother right there's got a select.
There we go.
When you want to get in on you some old tomahawk.
Oh, yeah.
You want to see them tomahawks? Look here, boy. Go on down to the local steakhouse and get you one of these, because it ain't happening. You go down and get you one of them bastards right there. That's what I fix when roasted beans and tires comes to town.
That's awesome.
Look at that, boy.
Yeah, that's a huge steak.
And all of them like that. Look here, just pick you one. Pick you one. They say, well, you just only showing us the biggest one. Take your pick, brother. I don't send no little steaks out of here.
That's awesome.
There's 5 USDA Prime Tommy Jacks right there. Rubbed down in that old double barrel. Roasted beans coming to see me, so I pulled out the stops on it. Been in the ager for about 2 weeks now. I've had them boys down. Brian Coleman said, you know, Blake's coming, roasted beans. We got need about 5 tomahawks and 6 ribeyes. So I said, I got you covered, brother.
Appreciate
Salute.
it.
Hatfield McCoy Moonshine and roasted beans in the house. Salute.
We're here for some steaks. We've tried the other places in this area for steaks because we came the last time and he was out of town. But let me tell you, we tried the place last time and I can guarantee you there is going to be a difference. Nothing against them, but I have a feeling these ones right here are it.
Absolutely.
We're getting ready.
Hatfield McCoy and roasted beans with Blake. That's how we doing it right here.
That's it. You heard it.
Absolutely.
Before you get your steak, you're going to get an awesome salad. Honestly, it was a great size, really good salad. But make sure you save some room because what's coming out is huge. First, these were the ribeyes. You get a ribeye, you get some bread, then you get a baked potato. All of it was amazing. These ribeyes are no bone, all meat ribeyes, and as you heard him say, about 32 ounces. These ribeyes, I'm telling you.
What do you tomahawks come out?
I know.
Dude, yeah. Like I said, this is...
You only got so much real estate, so it's like...
Look.
Look at this thing.
My God.
See, that thing is amazing.
Okay,
That's good.
so I want to know what you pay for that kind of thing where you're from.
Oh, from
Now,
where we're from?
that
This
is
is...
awesome.
You're over 150, 160.
Yes. I tell you what, bro.
You meet the chef right here. Look at the chef right here.
This thing.
Like I said,
Oh, yeah.
hey, roasted beans and tires comes to town, you pull out all the stops.
Exactly.
If you want you a damn flapjack McDonald's is half a mile down the road. But if you want to get your grub on, come up here and eat like this, you come to see me.
Exactly.
That's it.
Enjoy it, my brother.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Enjoy it.
And if you're lucky enough, you get this on double. Yeah.
You know you got the best. And you got legendary tours in the house. If you're lucky enough to ride with them,
Yes.
you know you got the best.
And if you're lucky enough to meet this guy right here and this guy right here.
You're just all Peckerwoods in the game.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
If you think it's funny when you go to a restaurant and you need takeout and you need to go home, this is what you get. Normally what you get. That's normally what you get when you go somewhere and you need takeout and you need to take home. But when you come to Hatfield Moonshine, this is what you get for your tomahawk.
I was not paying.
You get a metal pan. You get a whole tray to bring that tomahawk home because it's not fitting in that normal box. Again, Hatfield McCoy Moonshine Distillery and Grill. It's the best.
Ain't no fucking burning. That's 153. 153 proof. Yeah. What do you think, brother? I doubled my card.
Did you get straight lightning?
Oh, it's just water. It's just water for the right
Water. Yes, it is water.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It's water.
What time we gotta get up tomorrow?
No, he said sunset.
Yeah, what time we get up tomorrow?
This right here, we're gonna get a little bit of lightning in a jar. You know what I'm saying? That's as clear as the driven snow, son. It don't get no better than that. You ain't even got to worry about the burn. Look at that, boy. The best they are right there, son. Lightning in a jar. Don't get no better. Hatfield McCoy Moonshine. Salute.
Motherfucking design all right now.